Welcome to the virtual classroom for a Microsoft Office PowerPoint podcast. I'm Sherry McKinley. Let's get started. Customize background slide colors and create uniquely branded title blocks. Import project images. You can edit JPEG files by adding brightness, effects, or borders. There are numerous font and background options. Easily insert text boxes to describe the features of your project. Press pause now. Open a new PowerPoint file. Choose Blank Presentation. You can remove the existing text boxes by clicking on them once and choosing the Delete key from your keyboard, or choosing Delete from the Edit menu at the top of your screen. We will start by modifying our page size and orientation. Under the Design menu, choose Page Setup. Choose 11 by 17 for this tutorial. You can modify your slide background under the Design menu options. Modify colors or themes to your preferences. You can also access this menu by right-clicking on your slide and selecting Format Background. Right-click on your first slide on the left-hand side of your screen. Choose Duplicate Slide in order to recreate the first slide in its entirety. Insert rectangles and other shapes into your slide design in order to create custom title blocks which will brand your project. You will want to have this reflect your image as a company. PowerPoint templates, business cards, letterhead and website layouts, colors, fonts, and logos should coincide or be consistent with one another. Consider this when creating your PowerPoint template. You will find all of the logo options under the Insert menu in PowerPoint. Insert shapes, images, charts, and text boxes from this menu. You can edit your shapes by double-clicking on them. The Design menu will reappear when you double-click on a shape in PowerPoint. You can change the fill color, the outline weight, or you can even change the fill to a texture of your choice. I'm inserting additional lines into my drawing to create a grid for my Sheridan College logo. You can rotate objects by selecting the object and dragging one of the end grips in a circular motion. The line or object will visually snap into place. Extend the size of an object by dragging an end grip left or right, top or bottom to extend the scale. Layering is an important aspect to PowerPoint. Objects can be layered however you choose. You can modify the layering system of your objects by right-clicking on any object. Choose Bring to Front, Send to Back, or Send Backward to adjust which object is behind or in front of another. Save the desired format as a template by choosing Save as Template under the File menu. To create a mood page, insert images that provoke the senses. Decide on the main feeling that your space must portray. This could be a cottage, a condo, the ocean, a lake, or maybe the clouds. It could feel like fresh or cozy, but your mood images should reflect a feeling that entices our sense of touch, smell, sight, sound, and taste. Increase or decrease your image sizes by dragging any of the corner grips in or out. Line up your images by scaling the image and watching as a guideline will appear to ensure perfect layout. Always add buzzwords to your mood or inspiration page. These words increase our sensory ability. Also, be sure to add a small paragraph to describe your intention for the feel of the project. Make a copy of the original slide by right-clicking on your outline on the left-hand side of the screen. Choose Duplicate Slide. Remove any images that don't apply to this next slide and keep the template in place in order to create a project concept page. Change your buzzwords and your description paragraph. Watch for a good balance between positive and negative space on your page. Choose appropriate borders for your project images by double-clicking on each image. I always include what I call supporting images to each project. These images should exist on every page and help to complete the feel of the entire space. They could be an image of a finish or a piece of furniture. Line them up on every concept slide to help get a good feel for the project. Use images that promote project unity throughout. These finishes would of course be specified fully elsewhere, but for our client presentation, we use visuals where possible to help sell our work. Each slide is different, but similar. Background colors, title blocks, and border colors should be consistent throughout a presentation. You can now add animation effects to your presentation for additional drama. Click on an image or shape or text. Click on Animations. Click on Add Animation. You can add entrance effects, emphasis effects, or exit effects. Each animation will be ordered with a number. These can be edited later, but I tend to add animations in the order in which I wish to see them. Animations can be timed or advanced by the click of a mouse. I'm Sherry McKinley. Thanks for watching. See you next time.